So we are mostly looking at a lot of severe weather potential for the central United States and mostly for around the metro area of Kansas City, as you see right there. And again, a lot of storms are likely first forming down here and then popping off right here. Again, the little severe weather system is going to be around this area, as you see here in Oklahoma. As we go to Tornado Tracking UStornadoes.com and we go to day one, you could see that risk for today over here. And not just that, we got a little risk over here. That's the tornado risk in California, is potential for tornadoes today. We did actually just see a tornado warning as well up there in California just earlier. If we go back to the central United States, damaging winds and large hail are also all under the table. So if we look at more stuff coming up here, as that's today, tomorrow's severe weather risk, another big risk for over here in the Central Plains and parts of the southern Central Plains into Texas and Oklahoma. But also, a little sneaky something is coming. You can see that right here. A little severe weather risk over there in Hawaii for tomorrow as well. If you live in Hawaii, make sure you post your comments. Make sure you post your comment. Make sure you post, so wherever you live, please post your location down in the comments below. What city do you live in? Next is April 12th, as another big system is going to fire. Again, Kansas City, you are in that. You are right there. That little county you see right in the middle of the screen is going to be Kansas City here, as a massive slight risk. And Hawaii is included again for some marginal risk of severe weather. And again, mostly up here, parts of Kansas City and stuff. Moving on, we're going to see the 13th. 13th is a lot more dangerous of severe weather, including parts of Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. But not just that, let's move up here into Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois, Minnesota, and Nebraska. And as well as just northern Kansas and Missouri. So there's a whole lot of Illinois and the surrounding areas, maybe parts of South Dakota as well as Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. So again, there was a lot of things coming, as Kansas City is right in there, that marginal risk. So I would say right in here, you see right here, I would say this may actually get downgraded and no severe weather risk is going to be included for these areas. Moving on to the next one, as I'm going to show you this real quick. Next is April 14th. April 14th is the deadly one that could actually happen here on. This is Tuesday of next week. And as we go through, again, the green area, marginal risk, yellow, slight risk, orange, enhanced, red, moderate, pink, high, and purple, extreme. So as we see marginal risk, the marginal risk down here, 1 out of 6. Yellow, 2 out of 6. Orange, 3 out of 6. Red, 4 out of 6. Pink, 5 out of 6. And the purple, 6 out of 6. Life-threatening situation for parts of Missouri, Illinois, Arkansas, and northern Mississippi. This could actually take place. I would say this, as you see the purple here, I would say that's going to be shifted a little bit more over here, I would say, and maybe downgraded for this area and pushed a little bit more north, as we could see these areas getting another high risk for those areas over there near Kansas City and the metro area. Then we move on to April 15th for another round of severe weather. again. And also April 16th is going to be another round also over here or some sort, right over there. But the one thing that's catching my eye is not here, but it's Hawaii. Hawaii, again, in an enhanced risk of severe weather on that tiny little island out there. And see, Alaska is nothing, and California is nothing either. That may get, maybe upgraded or something, or changed later. But again, a lot of severe weather. And the last but not least final map is going to be the rain accumulation over the next 10 days, as the light green is going to be 0.5, green is going to be 1 inch, yellow is going to be 2 to 4 inches, red is going to be 4 to 7 inches, dark red is going to be 7 to 10 inches, and pink is going to be 10 to 15 inches of rain per the next 10 days. That pink risk is over there in like southern Missouri, parts of Oklahoma, north central to central north. I already said that backwards. But central north to north east Texas, as well as almost the entire state of Arkansas and extreme southern central Missouri is going to be included in that 10 to 15 inches of rain risk for the next 10 days. So if you live in these areas, please stay weather aware, and this is going to be a dangerous risk. But we have not checked the weather radar yet. We have not checked the future weather radar yet, and we will give you an explanation of what we could see here, as we are going to roll the weather radar through, as Kansas City could see some more thunderstorms tonight, as well as tomorrow morning as well, and maybe a slight chance of severe weather is potential in Kansas City tomorrow. Moving on towards these other days, as more rain also pushes north over here on Sunday. As severe weather right behind that is not out of the question, and that will be a probability. Again, a lot of other storms are going to be possible moving into Monday, and then through Monday into Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be the deadly day for severe weather. If we look at the Cape Index, yeah, it is off the charts. As we see Kansas City under 2,967 joules per kilogram, as storms are going to fire, and they're going to fire bad. It might not look as bad on this weather radar, but it's going to look bad in person, as these thunderstorms are not going to give a crap about what is in its path, as these thunderstorms are going to blow up, and they're going to blow up fast. As we move the weather radar through here and look at these other days, as another little round of severe weather may happen on Wednesday, as that flushes through, it's really uncertain what else could happen there. But I'm really concerned of these Cape values for these days. Again, as we take a look on Tuesday again, Cape values off the charts, as severe weather could be impacting your daily commutes. Dangerous, large hail up to golf balls to baseball, maybe grapefruit-sized hail, damaging winds up to 100 and 120 miles an hour, and large EF4 plus tornadoes are likely. That's about between 170 to 200 miles an hour winds of tornado strength. So if you do live in these cities that are on your screen right now and in the red, please on Tuesdays take your precautions, stay aware, as also Kansas City is also involved in that as well, as Kansas City is off the charts with Cape. If these thunderstorms do what they're supposed to do, they will cause havoc throughout the Kansas City metro area. I will see you guys later. Hold on. One more thing. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're trying to pass this guy right here, 6'7" topic. We're trying to pass this guy 400 difference. Please subscribe to Meteorologist Mikey. I will see you guys later. Peace.